How to extract zip files on Mac. This will mean you can open a zip file, also a zip folder. So we're going to show you how to do both here. First of all, you want to right click on the zip file, then you can click on quick look, and there you'll be able to click top right on the pop-up where it says uncompress. That will uncompress and unzip a file. Same thing with a folder. You can go ahead and right click on it, quick look, then click uncompress in that top right hand corner. Then you'll have the unzipped zip folder right there. Also, you can actually just double click on the folder or the file, and that will also unzip it. And then once you've unzipped it, you'll be able to drag and drop it into the desktop or another folder if you wish. So you got two options there. You can either double click on it like so, or you can do the uncompress. There's also a third option if those two don't work for you. You can go to the App Store on your Launchpad, then type in a zip extractor, and maybe one of them will work for you there. Those are the three ways to do it. Leave a like on the video for help, to subscribe for more helpful videos.